Good morning, YouTube friends, family, and subscribers. Happy 4th of July. This is Laura coming to you with another video. And I am here today in the wonderful city of Bay City, in which they're getting ready. As you can see, they're setting up for the annual 4th of July Carnival and Festival. It is going to be a fun-filled week here in Bay City with 3 days of fireworks beginning July the 5th, 6th, and 7th. And as you can see, they're getting everything ready. Take a look over there. They're going to be selling elephant ears. As you can see, there's the Ferris wheel, all the different rides. They're getting it ready. So we're gonna go, I'm out here walking, you guys. So I'm gonna go up the hill here and I'm gonna give you a better view once I get over the hill here. So bear with me. Look at this. Isn't this something fun? Wouldn't you want your kids to come here? Wouldn't you want to be a part of all of this? I mean, look at this. And then I plan on coming back. Part number 2 of this video is going to be when the carnival gets started. So take a look at this. Look at this. Over here, this is the kids section where the kids can have fun. Look at that. People are getting their boats all set because you can watch the fireworks from the water. The crew here, they actually spend the night here on the site. As you can see, they have their campers. Everything here is fenced off. I'm going up the hill and everything is fenced off. As you can see, they're getting the rides ready. It's gonna be fun, fun, fun tonight. This is gonna be so much fun. And then three nights of fireworks with the finale on Saturday the 7th. And this here is like a bird's eye view of what it's going to look like. Are you ready, Bay City? Are you ready? Oh, look at that over there. If you can see, the veterans are coming out. They're setting out the flags. And so this is just a bird's eye view of what's going to be happening here. I hope that you can join us. It's going to be lots of fun. Take it all in. They've already started the music. Okay, this is part 1, the setup. I'll be back when these rides are up and running. You'll see the lights, you'll see the people, and I'll give you another view of what it's like. All right, happy 4th of July, everyone. Be blessed, and until we meet again, as always, bye-bye, my friends.